Hi everyone. In this part now we're gonna install TypeScript, Copilot, and Node.js. In previous parts we learned what is TypeScript. Now we are going to learn how to install these two tools in order to get started coding in TypeScript. Now first things you have to do is to install Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime. Now you need to install it. Go on Node.js.org website and you're gonna see here they suggest you two version. You're gonna pick the recommended for most users version and click on download. Here, if I open my command prompt, you can see I have already installed Node.js on my computer. I got a version 18 version, and once you install Node.js, you can check it by typing node within your command prompt. And once done, the second tool that you have to install is TypeScript Copilot. Go on TypeScript.org website, TypeScript, and then go on TypeScript.org website and install TypeScript. Here you can see we are on TypeScript website. Click on the download menu and then scroll down. You're gonna see this command. You're gonna copy this command. Let me zoom a little bit. You're gonna copy this command npm install TypeScript --save, and then you're gonna put these commands within your command prompt. Do this. You're gonna copy it and tap enter, and once done, you're gonna tap tsc to verify if TypeScript is well installed on your computer. Now if I tap this, you can see I got TypeScript installed on my computer. I'm using version 4 of TypeScript. Once done, now we need to open our command prompt. Here, I got some folder right here. Now once done, we need to check if it works pretty well within our computer. And we're gonna initialize a TypeScript project. We're gonna create first two folder. Let me create two folder here. The source directory here, the source directory where we're going to put our TypeScript code. And then let me initialize a TypeScript project by using tsc. You're gonna type tsc --dash init. Then let me open the command prompt within the VS Code. Let me do this tsc --dash init, and then you're gonna see a tsconfig.json file, and then you're gonna get in. You're gonna find two directory. Let me zoom out a little bit. Here you're gonna look for two directory out there. Let's get it out there. Out there, we have to specify an output folder where we are going to put our TS code when we transpile our source files. Our source files are going to be imported into the build folder, and then we need to specify another folder within the tsconfig.json. We need to look for root dir. Here we have to specify the source folder of our working projects. This is here, the source. And then let's create a TS file. And let's try to compile. Let me do this. My name, I tap it. And let's say my name is Ben. And in the next video, we're going to talk about type annotation where we are going to start. And let's try to compile this file. We are going to use tsc to compile the file. And then you can see, boom, we got here build folder and the man. Here, you can see here, we got a TypeScript file, and then we transpile it down to JavaScript. Let me console my name. okay, and then transpile it again, and then cd in the build folder, and then node main, and then we got Ben. This is how we can use TypeScript to create things, and then we are going to transpile it down to JavaScript so that the browser or the web server can read our code. And that's pretty much it, guys. In this video, we just installed TypeScript compiler and Node.js. In the next video, we're going to start with type annotation. We're going to start our TypeScript journey. I see you there.